Hi everyone, I'm here with Ricardo Sandoval. He's a drone pilot and the founder of U.A.I.R, aerial photography videography company. His services go beyond videography and imaging. We worked together earlier this week. Everything was very smooth, professional, and thorough. Thank you for being here today, Ricardo. What inspired you to launch U.A.I.R aerial videography?
Sure. Thank you for having me today, Huma. What inspired me to launch U.A.I.R was I have a passion for technology, precision, and accuracy. And combining the three allowed me to provide those three while delivering a service to clients so they can see their projects from a different perspective. We primarily serve real estate professionals, construction companies, utility companies, and small businesses that need social media aerial reels or inspection data. I have over 20 years working in construction, from being in the trenches to being a lineman and climbing towers.
So that really gives you the expertise to understand what you're looking at.
Primarily for inspections, yes. We offer aerial photography, cinematic videography, thermal inspections, infrared analysis, and mapping for commercial and residential clients. Infrared analysis is when you have the emissivity and the qualitative thermal anomalies to report with the visual thermal inspection. You put them both together, and that way clients can see any thermal anomalies that might need repair or attention to. Infrared thermal inspections for plumbing can find broken pipes, leaks in pipes in concrete or underground in the walls. Electrical components, it's easily to spot thermal anomalies when something is overheating and it's about to malfunction. With the thermal inspection, you'll be able to see the temperature readings. You can compare it to its regular operating temperature readings. With the infrared thermal inspection, you'll find the location of the leaking pipe or of the malfunctioning wire, so you know where to do the repairs exactly, instead of ripping out and changing out the entire wiring system or the plumbing system. Homeowners can benefit from infrared roof inspections to capture any anomalies or issues with the roof. We use professional grade drones that capture 4K and thermal imaging capabilities. The drones that were used for your shoot was mainly for aerial tours, property tours, location, small businesses, location reels for their social media. We have a variety of drones that we use for different scopes of work. If it's going to be for an inspection, then we use a drone with the inspection capabilities to perform those jobs. If we're going to do a real estate tour or an event, then we'll use other drones to capture 4K cinematic videography. If you're going to operate for LiDAR, operate and perform surveying, operate and perform infrared thermal inspections, operate a drone commercially, you have to be licensed. We are trained in drone safety operations. We are trained in drone aerial emergency procedures. So if the drone were to have a problem, if there was an emergency in the air, we have the same training as pilots. We have training and licenses for the infrared thermal analysis to be able to read and interpret the infrared data for our clients.
Ricardo, it's been a pleasure. I was just fascinated to see the variety of drones that you use for my aerial shoots. So I can only imagine what you would do at a construction site. Please feel free to reach out to Ricardo. He has such a smooth process to set up appointments and walk through all the information you need to know in advance.
Thank you so much, Huma. It's been a real pleasure working with you. Thank you for accepting my offer to be able to give back to my community. Thank you for seeing value in my work.